Ake sibingelele okubingelelayo ungubaba udokotela baba wesizwe bawujabulela umfana mhle ungathi uyikhehla lomlungu umzukulu wamancengisa ngesouth futhi ngixolisa. Beautiful people, me loving you. Ngiyabonga nje nisupport enisinika yona. Isupport ukuthi umuntu yabona nje wakubanda nje is the right time. Yabona nje into engiyenza la ufuna khona uzoyibona kahle. Ngiphethe urish. Yabona ngimi ngeqiniso. Angazi ngiqale ngoBrown. Hayibo phela kekhela la mhlophe kanje manje. Ngiqale ngani la. Noma ngiqale la. Isazoqelaza lento la. Isazoqelaza kudliwa ikhekhe kusebusika kudliwa ikhekhe kuphela. Uma uthi awayini idla ikhekhe. Uma uthi ayina liyeke ikhekhe. Angiqale ngidla ikhekhe kuqala ngiqale ngoBrown. Bathi uBrown umnandi. Bathi uBrown awunamanzi aloku kuthiwa ukuthi sisule kancane. Awuthi sisule kancane. Ngidla uBrown ngeke uBrown right kakhulu. uBrown right kakhulu. Ngiyaza kuwena yellow bone. Ngisayizoxoxa indaba yakho. Ngoba kumnandi ube inyanga. Phila ngekhekhe nje. Bakithi angeke ngibingelele baba udokotela babesizwe wajabula umfana muhle nje kahle emzolo abancisa ngesofu futhi ngixolise. Engizokucela ukuthi ake sisebenzise channel to speak sense. Akube khona into oyifundayo kule channel and then sinama channel amaningi they waste our time. Believe me, they just waste our time. And then ake sibe nento ephethe ubufakazi owazi ukuthi kunento engayifunda ku channel baba udokotela. If I was not following the channel, ngabe lento angiyazi namanje. Yeah, this is baba udokotela babesizwe wajabula. Namhlanje ngiphethe itopic ethi ukhamba lwakho. Ukhamba ke it is widely used all over the world, especially in Africa, because Africa as a whole always using ukhamba, because ukhamba that we use for drinking water. In Swahili, I am not too sure. In Swahili, I think they call it mtungu or mtunga, but in Swahili, because there is one that we use for cooking, they call it mtungu. For drinking water, they call it mtungu, and there's one that they use for bababa. Chungu. What is chungu? Chungu is ukhamba. They also use chungu. But asikho ke lapho sekutheni we are Africans in Africa. And then namhlanje ngizafuna ukuthinta izinto eziningi. Isilo samabandla onke, I'm not mentioning his name. He mentioned something about AmaZulu who migrated to foreign countries such as Malawi, such as Zimbabwe. I am not too sure whether he forgotten to mention Mozambique. SinamaZulu lapho. And then lawo maZulu lawa asiboni ukuthi ngenilanga yoxoshwa kuthiwa abuyele eSouth Africa. I don't think so ukuthi mhlawumbe labantu ade sibaxosha la kungenza ukuthi kade kuyinabo bebethinteka yini ngoba baphuma eMalawi. eMalawi ke banobukhosi babo babizwa ngamanguni kuthiwa amangunisi, because when I was in Malawi ifake lo mqhele they assumed that I'm coming from the kingdom of the Ngunis, because Ngunis in Malawi they bafaka umqhele kodwa ke angekho ke lapho. This is baba udokotela referred that ikhona egcwele kuma open platforms uzokwazi ukuthi uthole khona. It's no longer a secret ukuthi sinamaZulu akwezinye indawo, but I'm not too sure ukuthi lawo maZulu ngelanga yoxoshwa yini. If engakaxoshwe ke abangaxoshi, please abangaxoshi abayeke. Yeah, into engizafuna ukuyithinta lana ngathini empilweni, especially in business, everything there is a trap. I repeat, kuma business everything is a trap. Njengamanje they were pushing solar panels by far. They were pushing solar panels by far. But when you go to their countries, not even 1% of America using solar panels in USA. Leave alone in Russia. Leave alone in Australia. Not even 1% is using solar panels. Ngabatshela abantu ngathi le nto solar panels iyaphusha and bayazi bona uthini abayiphushela yona. Bayazi uthi yini naba abayiphushela. We don't need ama solar panels because solar panel it does not recycle. it does not recycle. Le material khona it does not recycle. Engisho ukuthi angikho ke ama-solar panels. Into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo namhlanje ngifuna ukuthinta udaba lwemoto. The cars that we are driving, cars that we are pushed to buy for intention for us to drive those cars. Imoto lezi abasinika zona njengamanje sizibiza ukuthi ama-EVs. Leza moto kuwena zivela njengemoto ezintsha kuthiwa uhlobo olusha lwemoto. Ama-EVs, they've been used in China for more than 30 years. Ama-EVs. To us, they appear as if it's something new. Now, China, they are getting rid of these cars, especially these cars, with lithium battery. Lithium battery, it is one of the expensive batteries ever produced by industry. The cheapest battery that is coming, it is aluminium, very light, very small. It fills up within 10 to 15 minutes. It is full. Lithium battery requires almost 1 hour. A lithium battery. And a lithium battery, you can charge it 2,000 times before it gets exhausted. Aluminum battery, you can charge it up to 8,000 to 12,000 times before it gets exhausted. I'm not there. Ngisekutheni le moto lezi abasidayisela zona abazipusha kuma third world countries especially. Imoto ezindala ngokwe-technology. Imoto ezindala because imoto oyidrivayo ifika kagesi, we call it an EV, electronic vehicle, but it is a robot that is driving it, auto robot actually. But now currently we got robots that are making cars emafemini. You understand that are making computers, are making a lot of things in China. I'm a robot, but Loma robots, they are already using aluminum batteries, not lithium batteries. What do you mean, Bab Hotel? I mean, we cannot use a battery that takes 1 hour to fill up on a 4-hour shift. Leanti sebenza 24 to 7 to 12 hours. There's no way you could aina break robot. And thereafter, they are using what is called aluminum batteries. Kuloma robot la. Imoto abazozileta ezizayo. I'll come to a robot. A robot leli lisebenza factory. If i-battery yehla, liyakwazi ukuthi lihambe babiza ukuthi a charging platform. Liya kwi-charging platform mase lima ngo-reverse and then it leans against lincikeke ngo-reverse automatically. Once lancika nje, the back of the robot touches the magnetic wall. Automatically the battery gets ejected out and the new battery enters the backside. The battery is big as same as this, and then when it magnets like this, and then the other one takes off. Simple as that. Into eyenzekayo lana ama-robot awashintshe umuntu ama-battery ashintsha wona. Ama-robot awashintshe umuntu ama-battery ashintsha wona. Comes to cars, imoto ezizayo zizofika kwisikhathi sokuthi within 5 years lezo moto zobe sezikhona. Le ndawo niyibiza ukuthi nama-charging platform. Imoto izothi imiya laphaya. Once it touches there, automatically the battery gets ejected and the new battery gets inserted. That is less than 2 minutes. The car is going. And the battery endala iya kwi-charging port. And if benama battery awu 10, asebenze mina awu 10 esebusuku, each battery is aluminum base. Thereafter, that battery, it will take plus or minus 20 minutes to fill up, but they don't need that because we need to move out. We cannot be stationary in a place for 20 hours not knowing what we're doing. But kuma platform, you're supposed to go to ungene. Once you are motor, the battery get ejected automatically, and thereafter the robot will be sending, fitting a new battery, boom, and then you drive another 4 to 5 hours again. Whenever you go, and then what it does is just auto-rotate. Similar to English. Lama robot, le motor abasinika zona. We were too excited ngazo, but not knowing ukuthi imoto vese indala lezi abasinika zona. Imoto nje endala ezingakazibonike kuma accident uma zishayisa ukuthi kwenzekani. The piece no browns. Piece no brown kambe. Piece no brown nje kabuhlungu. Yeah, this is Bob Totel. Ebunyangeni ufuna uphile ngeqiniso, uphile ngeayini, qinise kakhulu ekhekheni. Now let's try this. How's this one? Oh, for your own information, this is Woolworths. This is Woolworths. You see this? Beef, 16 beefs, samosas. This is Woolworths. I said, come to the Woolworths. I just answer. Kuba umnandi benyanga eThekwini. Yabona nje inyanga lapha uzikode. Ngabe bazibayenzeni. Balenga ama-chain. Bayigora ngamajimini. Wemnyofu. Awutshela uzawuthi uthi ayikho inyanga ejimayo. Inyanga nje ayijimi. Inyanga funa ingabi healthy. Inyanga should not be healthy. Mina zodwa usijwayela kabi nje. Usijwayela usuyajima manje ufuna ukushaya. Ushaya abangani bakho labo hlala nabo lapha. Ushaya bonomnyovu lapha. Bakithi this is Babu Daughter versus Bawujabulela umfana muhle ngathi kehlela umlunguzula amanxisa ngisofuthi Nkosi. Ngifuna ke ngingene lo msebenzi lo. Okay bo. Awuthathe la nto le. Uwoolworths uyasinikezela into eziquality. Ubizo lo lapha ezansi uzofica lapha ezela. Iyake inkomishi. Lo msebenzi ongenayo manje esibiza ukuthi uGebo owakaZulu. Usebenzela ubaba uDokotela. Sinabasebenzi ke njengama genders ahlukehlukene, bahlukene ke abasebenzi lona ke kuthiwa uGebo. Uyamazi uMande Abubakar. Mande Abubakar. Ake sibuyele emsebenzini wedlozi. This is Baba Dokotela. Baba says Bawujabulela. Inyanga ehlanya nazo zonke ke. Ayikho inyanga esangana nje kana I'm the best. Ngiyalida futhi. Ngiyalida. The most crazy is inyanga. This is Baba Dokotela. Inkosi yama fake yabona babeke ngigqoka ifake ngamabo. Ngifaka igusha enespeaker esigwegwile la igusha enespeaker esiphakeme. Bese ngizoshoot. This is Babu Daughter wese Bawujabulela umfana mhleje yakhe emzolo amanxisa ngisothi ake sikhulume June 30th Tuesday in South Africa. June 16 in South Africa. We had an official holiday, but June 16, shops were opened, streets were busy. But June 30, it was overrated. Angifuni ukuthi over-exaggerated. Let's use terminology overrated. That is June 16, because akade ngibuka ku mainstream media, ngoba mina ngengithande ukuthi ngeke ngibuke lezi ezinye iteshi zemsakazo. Ngibuka Fox News, BBC News 18, IL News, Israeli 10 News. Ngibuka CNN, ngayibuka nakhona CCTV yaseChina ukuthi ba reporta kanjani Sky, ngayibuka na BBC inkosi yamanga uNkulunkulu amanga iBBC ayikina amanga nje ngale yanto le. They can tell lies. And those they were just talking very bad about this country. The country is on fire. The country is erupting under ANC regime. President Cyril Ramaphosa. Yeah. Is Ramaphosa or Ramaphosa? I don't know. Under Cyril Ramaphosa, the country is burning. Black on black is killing each other. The country is burning. My goodness. Washaya umhla ka-30. Nale gama kade bebiza ngalo ke ungizwe engeke ngikwazi mina ukuthi ngilisebenzise leli sibongo sakhe kade besibiza beshintsha sibe inhlamba. That is gross violation of human right. It's a gross violation of human right, of which sisazibuza ukuthi ama-platforms anjengama-social medias like Facebook, how do they allow that? Because this is a criminal behavior. Ungizwe akahlali kubo, uhlala emzini wakhe, is a father, umnomzane. Ngenhlanhla akanayo ingane eyodwa njenganawo Sididide phela wena. Akanayo ingane eyodwa njengesikhwehlele. Isikhwehlele sishaba ngento ethiwa wezani. Ngizwe unezingane. And then ngisimibuka ke abantu ke abenza le nto bebiza ngale gama ade belisebenzisa. I was embarrassed. And akekho umuntu ongabizwa ngenhlamba. Ungizwe wakamchunu isibongo. Ungasho ukuthi ngizwe mkhulu. Ukuthi mkhulu umuntu awumthuke. It's not inhlamba. But awukwazi ukubiza umuntu ngenhlamba. Don't do that. That you don't do. That is just don't do. It's intolerable. Especially in samaZulu, isibongo somuntu cannot convert it to inhlamba. Yebo, cannot convert it to inhlamba. Yebo. That is a person that engiyibukile. Then comes to June 16 versus June 30. June 16 was a holiday. Abanye babeze baba bezidakela but everything was normal. But comes to June 30, overrated. We raise the budget and but the money that was budgeted for this event only, it was too much. That money was going to prevent looting. Yakhishwa ke le mali and looting yaba khona futhi in the presence of soldiers and police and people, and they were looting. They were doing. Abantu abaningi ke badla kakhulu into zo social media. Nginama channel awu2 ku YouTube. Ngine channel enye ku YouTube edila netourism kuphela. Lo channel ke allows me ukuthi ngihambe ngishuthe indawo, nginale channel esibili engenisela imali eceleni futhi nayo. Then I was in Claremont, June 30, I was in Claremont. And looting, I've seen what was happening. Kade ngise Claremont, ngithorishe Claremont, Theboti. Abantu abangilandela kulo channel ka tourism bazokwazi ukubona la indade ngihamba kuzona. And then I've seen people carrying fridges. Ama-fridge bephethe yonke into ongayicabanga. Lela fridge belisinda belibambisene bewu2. Bethatha kweyindawo eSomalia Pakistan. Into embike lapha, that what happened. Kukhona owile kade kuthathwa izinto. Guess what happened to that person? He got wasted. He died. Yeah, died. Bamgcobe wafa nje ewile ngoba bebaningi abantu engekho umuntu onesikhathi somunye kungenwa la kuthatha. But kunemali enkulu ekhishiye ngangithi you overrated lo lasuku lo lana, and then imali yalo kona futhi ayizange into ebekuthiwa igweme izange igweme. Looting iphinde yabakhona khona idokotela futhi oyi dentist naye futhi surgery yakhe bangele phakathi bathatha amazinyo abantu akade ezwafaka abantu bazifaka bona. Abanye bathatha bogcwalisa amazinyo la xegayo. Ngena baphakathi bathatha yonke into yalo dokotela lo. Engisho ukuthi usuku lethu siyisave sibe na imali bese irezile. Okay, fangazi bekwemalini. Ayizange futhi isave purpose ilooting iqhubekile yabakhona. Intimidation isekhona futhi namanje people are still intimidated. Kuthiwa bana 7 days ufuna bavale. It's still happening, and then we don't see ukuthi lento izothatha isibeke. Kodwa bengibuka ke ukuthi ke we overrated it. Then bese kuba khona ke nabantu abasebenzisa leli thuba leli elikhona bafonela abantu, basendela abantu o WhatsApp ukuthi hayibo wezuma onabo abantu abakwazi ukudrive lapho ifemi yethu lana idinga o driver, and uzokuhambela abantu bokuhamba nje kunekhala enkulu eyiningi evulekile. Thereafter ngizocela nje bangisendele 450 rand just ukuthi mase ngibanika ke ilokhu ilink right. Abantu basebenzisa la thuba manje to make other people, to scam other people ukuthi kunamathuba avulele kunekhala ezo 1000 warehouse ukuthi xosha abantu engicela bangithinta abantu uma usumthinta mase ufuna 450 ufuna 350 kodwa kunemali ayifunayo. Egcineni kunemali ekufunayo noyifake. Yabo. Muze ubuze ukuthi ngiqala nenathi hayibo kuyaphuthuma wena ngabe ngisendela iproof of payment kuyaphuthuma ngoba kuyaqalwa njengoba nje liphela lesonto kuyaqalwa ama-truck ameli abantu ke basenza lelo thuba ke lelo kuzofuza ukuthi silibuke ukuthi ligwenywa kanjani into enjengaleyo ligwenya kanjani mase sizoba ke ne-issue ezoba khona esizocela ukuthi babe transparent ngayo ake kube transparent if sisebenza siyasebenza if singasebenza sisebenza akuyeke nje upretend because abantu abaku-social media bapretenda kakhulu thina we accepted to be called xenophobia okay sekwemukele lokho azange sikuchallenge lokho ku-African Union azange sikuchallenge lokho ku-United Nation then mase belanda iy'ngane zabo lezi kuthiwa ziyashawa lama ku-contact bayo ziyashawa lezi kuthiwa zihambe ngoba zinawo amaphepha listen to me carefully yeke uzokhahleleka-ke nawe sukwazi ukungilingisa sengiyihlelo sami usakhohlele into lena ngiyakhuluma uyangilingisa abekathi indoda yami lena kodwa budokotela ngayime indoda edla kawulwetho elanda isikhafini sonke kawulwetho ihlala phansi isidlo ukhodlo owena bagodola uMaritzburg ungawusile umjitha ugodole empizza ungawuhlala edubana ayinawo oya nokhanya into engifuna ukisho la ile ithi sola laqala uhlekani pho ngithi nesola lana mase siqhubeka isikhuluma asikhulumeneni this is Baba Dothan into engifuna ukisho ile kuthe mase sekuqoqwe abantu beqoqelwe endaweni zodwa ibhasi yaseMalawi precisely yaseMalawi refused to take anyone who was not a Malawian. Why? If bona bene Africanism bengama Pan-Africans, they refused to take anyone who is not a Malawian. They only took their people. Comes to Ghana, their flights as well were not collecting anyone who is not a Ghanaian. Comes to Nigeria as well, we're not taking anyone who's not a Nigerian. Why they did that if they are not xenophobia as well? Because they are persecuting us that we are xenophobic. But themselves, when our African brothers and sisters in South Africa getting persecuted according to their statement, why can they intervene and help them and take them because we are being killed? Come, fill up the bus, fill up the airplanes. No, they were hating them. They refused to. Especially Nigerians, they refuse to. Nigerians, they don't see themselves helping anyone else besides Nigerians. Nigerians, they still believe that they are the king of Africa. They are not. They are just Africans in Africa. But they refuse to take them. Because if they had that heart, a big heart, they were supposed to open them. Mnangagwa was supposed to open the border, said everybody who's got a problem in South Africa, let them come here, regardless whether there's Zimbabweans or not. Not even one person has opened their borders for foreigners. Comes to Mozambique, they were screaming like a lion in a cage. They refused to open borders for any foreigners just to come in to enter their country. King Mswati III, he also closed his borders for people to enter their country because they were running away from. Why they couldn't just go to Swaziland? Because it's a happy country. We are the most bad country ever. I guess we were over. South Africa, it was overrated, but we've seen the true color. What happened to UNICEF? Because if UNICEF can't use Red Cross Red Crescent, because we cannot have people who are sleeping on the road. It's inhumane in the presence of Red Cross and UNICEF. We're supposed to have shelters for those people. We must have running water for those people. Even though they are living, but we have to treat them with humanity. We must have Doctors Without Borders, but not even one doctor dedicated his experience to go there and help. Kuno mama kade bekhulela lapha kuno mama bade bebeletha lapha but ukuba bekwenzeka kwelinye izwe elihlukile elingenazo le nwele ezimfishane, believe you me, the crisis, everybody will be there just to make sure that they are helping. Ukuba nje leli lizwe leyo kade kwenza kulona elinye izwe elinenwele ezinde ekama ngesandla, believe you me, lonke usizo kade belidinga babezolithola. I-United Nations ibizokhipha amabhanoyi ezobathatha mahala. Because the Africans, they must just suffer the consequences of being an African in the African continent. Ezinye izinto funa sizibuke. There are people who teach us to hate each other, and we are learning the subject. Just now we'll graduate, but in a bad way. Literally in a bad way, because these people, they just don't like us. They treat us as pathetic nation. This is Babu Dr. Boyce, what you'll find on Jack Hills, or I'm saying so to police. Abo, hopefully, let me yango lang. I was up concert talent. Lona futhi unkosikazi umuntu usebenzele inyanga amadoda ariska Nkosi yami. Uphi uDlamini? Ukuyeke uzosenzela inyanga, wenzele enye itiye futhi. Utshela lapha ezawusalikhuphula. Hey madoda niyabona ukuthi kwenzekani sisebenzele inyanga. This woman This is what this is what the name of this lady just posted here. Her name is Utholani Wakamthembu. Utholani Mthembu. Yes, her name is Utholani Mthembu. Working for Babu Dokotela as well. Yeah, let's move. 1st of July, I have officially released. 1st of July, I have released itshe lengilosi. Ngikhiphe itshe lokusebenza, itshe lezimanga, itshe lengilosi, itshe lesiprophet, itshe lesimemezelo. Selifikile itshe lesambulo, the stone of the revelation, the stone of the time. And leli itshe selifikile. Uma wangakhipha kwena ngiwakhipha be4. Mase ngiwakhipha be4. Ngibe sengikhipha lento le. This is sandalwood. This is sandalwood. This is sandalwood. But, B-U-T, but, this sandalwood, I am not selling it to you. I repeat, this sandalwood, I am not selling it to you. But, I'm still saying, but, you are not allowed to go and buy your own. Because this one is not an ordinary one. I repeat, this sandalwood, it's not an ordinary one. Come to understanding this sandalwood, how potent it is. If ngikunikele sandalwood, ebusuku uthi uyacindezeleka, ebusuku kunento elala nawe. Uma ngikunika le sandalwood, uya kwi-hearing yasemsebenzini, not ku-criminal case enkantolo, uya kwi-hearing yasemsebenzini, labor court or whatever. Burn this sandalwood. Take the ash, mix it with the lotion lo igcobayo, and then apply it emzimbeni wakho, hamba uzobuya. Le sandalwood kuphela. But le sandalwood, don't go and buy it. If we are in Benoni, you can tell me ukuthi uma usuyithengile uzoyisa kuphi. If we are in Germiston, you must tell me ukuthi uma usuyithengile uzoyisa kuphi. If we are in Cape Town, I can tell you, because kunendawo ziyachargewa lezi zinto. Kunendawo la ufuna uyise khona. Ifike ichargewe musu usubuya nayo. Charging this thing, it is free. I repeat, it is free. I'm not telling you it is free. We are not going to pay for it. Mina, I buy these things and ngihambe ngoba charger. Mese ngiwabuya ngesikhathi sengikunika ke itshe lengilosi, itshe lesiprophet, itshe lesikhathi, itshe lamanje, itshe lempendulo into enozifunayo ngoba kunika be4. Mese ngikunika isandalwood eyodwa. Sandalwood iba yodwa phela. This is what you're going to do. Uzofike ukhanyise isandalwood ewu4 same time. Ushisa ibe u4, musiyeke ishunqeke. Thatha inkomishi ufake itshe elilodwa enkomishini. Thatha amanzi abilayo, boiled water. Uwathele phakathi. Kovuza leli itshe leli and then say all your incantation and intention. But your intentions must be good. What I'm saying, your intentions must be good only. Lelitshe ke lengilosi alikho permanent. I repeat, njengoba ngikunika u4 once a week ufake elinye, once a week ufake elinye. Guess what? Ngesikhathi ufake elinye leliyana lisuke lingasekho lapha emanzini. Leliyana lisuke lingasekho ke lapha emanzini. Lizothena dissolve liphele. Period. Alikho ke itsheli ncibi ngathathe lakho ngakini ufike uthathe itsheli lengilosi, uthathe leli lakho lasemgaqweni uwahlanze omabili. Uma usungitshela ukuthi after 7 days uzolifica yini, ngeke usalifica lengilosi, uzolifica lelo umsangano elikhona. Kulitshela ngelosi ukhuluma yonke into enhle. Wena waze ufuna umsebenzi, ufuna ipromotion, ufuna lokho, baba wengane akasebenzi, imali yengane grant ivalekile, usasa ufuna lokho, usasa ufuna. Yebo uhlala nezingane zantombazana wakho washonayo ezo3 but kunamaphepha wena ongenawo ungakwazi ukuproducer as a foster care parent. Nanti itshele ngelosi uzokwazi ukuthi ukhulume kulona. But after 4 days, 3 days, it will be gone. Zobe selincibilike laphela. Zobe selincibilike laphela. Umele ngancibiliki kushuthi liyifake. Ababudoda usekhipha ama-fake. If lingancibiliki liyifake. If lingancibiliki liyifake. Kushuthi mina ngisacosha noma yini ngakunika yona. It has to dissolve. It has to dissolve. Okay, siyakunika ke tshele ngilosi. Liyafika kuwena. Akukho mandatory ukuthi ulikhothe, but to make it strong, put your connection, your saliva, and hold it like this, and say your incantation as well, and then musulfaka emanzini. Njoba ungasebenzi, njoba ingane yakhe ingasebenzi, kade yaqeda esikoleni ne-driver's license ayisebenzi. Iyenzile i-teaching, yayenza i-social work, and still engane esikoleni iya-assista kuphela. Yenzisa ingane ama-homework. But now, the angel of the revelation, ingilosi esambulo, ingilosi esikhathi, ingilosi empendulo, sizokunika itshelayo, usebenza ngani. Uzokunika ke wena u950 rand, ngizokunika amatsha u4, bese ngikunika le sandalwood mahala, we are not going to pay for it. Engisho ukuthi don't make it easy ukuthi hayi baba dokotela ikhona isandalwood lana ngicela ungithumela amatshe kuphela, ngizoyithenga, ungayithengi it won't work. It won't work. Le sandalwood is not an ordinary one. Thatha le njengoba ngizokuthumela nje ngicela i-office lakho ufike uyishisa uma usuhamba. Lento uma usuhamba nje office ishisa uma usuyahamba uvala uhambe. Zonke lezi abakuhlanganela ngazo njengoba nika accountant, njengoba nika call center. Yonke lento ekhulunywa ngawe uma ubuye kuseni ubuyishintshile ubuya bekushalazela ungazi ukuthi yena athi noma uyangilalanga athi uma kade nimtsheleleni. Ayikho into abakutshela yona abangaqhubeka bayikhuluma ngoba bayitshela ukuthi uyayazi kanti awuyazi. The sandalwood has worked. Yes, this is Baba Dr. Bosibojabile. Madoda. Ake ngene kunina ke manje yabona njengoba ngifakele ibhantshi leli, le jacket le equality. Angithi kuyabanda. Kufakele ijacket ebusuku abantu abawobaba kunezinto abazenzayo zobaba. Nabantu abashade nabo, kubantu abawobaba. Kodwa ke abantu besilisa sesiyakunotice lokho. I repeat, abantu besilisa abane weight, not everybody. Abane weight greater than 85 kg to 120 kg besilisa siyakunotice lokho ukuthi iningi labo baneba nempawu ze-stroke, baba ne-partial stroke, ne-mild stroke or extreme stroke. Kwenziwa yini na laba abantu besilisa nabo? Abanayo i-BP and futhi abanawo ushukela. Why pho beshawa i-stroke? Ilama product abawasebenzisayo ukuvuselela imizwa yabo. Athi umuntu kunembize khona, awamsholozi wabo umshayeli uyakwazi ukuphinda ka4 ka5 kuphi khona. Mina ngishaya around awu2. Mengishaya iyodwa manje engiyoyithola ngesonto elizayo because I don't have time for that. I have time for money. I don't have time for that. I have time for. Engisho ukuthi abantu besisa ake niyibuke lento eniyisebenzisayo. Ake niyibuke lento eniyisebenzisayo, nginiphathele lento la. This is called imalvan. Imalvan le nginiphathele yona ukuthi nje upurify umzimba, uclean nje igazi lakho kahle, wehlisa amafutha amambi. Kunamafutha amambi ngendlela eyisimanga. Othi uma uphuze lamaphilisi enwaphuzayo nalembiza eniziphuziswa zona zokuvusa imizwa. Kunamahlobo lamafutha esiwabiza ukuthi kuthiwa yini Nkosiyami? Ayibo kodwa kuthiwa yini? Awazi. Funa utshelwe yimina ngiyinyanga ngahlulwa isikole. hayi lamafutha lawa iwona amafutha lemithini enisebenzisayo ethi mifike egazini ifike wakhuphula mase yavuka ke induku kuwena bazokuqamba lamanga bathi ayithi improve circulation kokulungile ke izokwenza lokho kodwa kunamafutha amambi engafuzile akhuphuke emzimbeni wakho siwabiza ngani lamafutha abadokotela siwabiza ngokuthi ilo hayibo ingane ihlelo kubhala lo awukwazi ukubhala lo nje wena nje ubuhle nje la wena awukwazi ukubhala ulo I lo how's that lo kanti ngihamba uzesakho ngeayini lo sakho shanjana this is low 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 density write it down low density not denser density engiyazinyanya ingane ezidansayo angizenzisi ingane nje edansayo this is not made for ubaba udokotela ingane mina ngifuna isitshengise ithebule lezibalo ukuthi ligudi kanjani kuzona ake nisitshengise leyo sikhathele ukubuka emzimbeni into niyadansa nisimoshela isikhathi let's go back to the drawing ngifuna ukusiza abantu besilisa abafuna ukuvuselela imizwa yabo kodwa still futhi bayagula ke namhlanje kanti bagulishwa yini babudokotela it's low density lipoprotein lipoprotein what do you call it lipo protein leya protein leyana asidingi emzimbeni wakho ukuthi ibe ningi if ibe ningi uzoshawa istroke period if ibe ningi we are more likely to have a brain damage if iningi kakhulu we are more likely to have a heart attack yini na ile mithi eniphuziswayo ekuthiwa ivusa induku ake sibukeke uma ufuna ukulekelelwa ekuvuseni induku number 1 asinomalisa into asenza lipogram yakho lipid yakho ayibe normal kuqala ngizokuphuzisa mina imalvan Q3 why are you taking malvan Q3 babudokotela because I need to lower my LDL I need to lower my triglycerides I need to improve my hematocrit I need to normalize my leukocyte values those are the things that are very very crucial labantu abandayisela imithi abangakwazi ukunitshela zona abanye banikwa lemithi nje kanti vese bane internal bleeding kuma red blood cells zabo ama platelets abo they have dropped below 150,000 but they are still using imithi abangayazi this is what you called malvan Q3 it will assist you konke lokho mase ngikunika ke ikhotha lamadoda ke ngiyacela ke madoda yeka neteninza ungalikhothi ula e15 uthi angeke ngivule into babudokotela ngoba uyothi uyaqamba uyafika lapha ama toll gate sovese ushaya iround okuqala lo bese luma uthi uyavala imlenze zidume because ukhotha into wrong ikhotha lamadoda precisely ikhotha ngoba uneshow ukuthi ukhona umama ekhaya or uthe uyeza ulikhotha kusashoti 30 minutes or 1 hour kudependa kwena ukuthi umzimba wakho ustrong kangakanani ngizokunika ke ikhotha lamadoda ngizokunika ke imalvan Q3 ngoba ngifuna ukuthi usizakale kodwa ekamereni futhi ube namandla njengendoda usizakala ekamereni futhi ube namandla njengendoda kuyinyanga ke yokugcina le umabhebeza ke sekufika esikhathini sokuthi nawo asudedele ke uyaphela umabhebeza this is babu Dr. Voices bojalo mfana umhleja khehle nomlungu ake ngikime kancane la ngicela uthathe ipeni ngicela uthathe iphepha wena umuntu osekhaya ngifuna ukupha isipho nje semithi yesintu ngizokunika imithi ewu3 ngizokufundisa ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani ngifuna ukunika umuthi osetshenziswa kakhulu abantu abagembulayo ukuthi wakhiwa kanjani tshela inyanga yakho ukuthi ayikuhlanganisele lo muthi ubabudokotela usewushilo uma wakha ke lo muthi ke hamba uyothola igobolondo le ostrich shell lana sibhala ukuthi iqanda lentshe uthole impande yomuthi esubiza ukuthi umlunge, uthole inkwazi ithambo, uthole ikhubalo likaTikoloshe, uthole umbulala nsingizi, uthole ilabatheka, uthole umabopha noma ungathola omncane omkhulu kuyefana, uthole izinzipho zesikhova, uthole igilo lemfezi, uthole amafutha kaTikoloshe. Sibuyele emuva, udinga ikhubalo kaTikoloshe mase uthola namafutha akhona, ukudinga kokubili. Lezi zinto lezi uyayihlanganisa le nduku, uyihlanganise nezinhlabathi zamathuna akini, uthole amathuna akini, uthole indwangu emnyama ezomela inzilo, uzobe usithatha udengezi uyishise phezu kodengezi, undlale indwangu emnyama, ubize igama lalowo muntu noma uyoyishisa phezu kwethuna. Lana nje usuke uhlanganisa induku ukuthi ufuna into ukuthi uyagembula ukuthi manje ngifuna into ukuthi nokuthi. Sibani njoba ulithathile igama ithuna lakhe lapha, le thuna lakhe uyona ke ozosebenza ngalo ukuthi usibani ngifuna angenzele ukuthi namhla sibani ngifuna angenzele ukuthi. Then ke sesinika ke manje ke lapho abantu abagembulayo. Okay, asiphume ke asingene manje ekutheni ufuna ukuthi umkhuluma nabantu, uyashumayela, uyadayisa, ukhuluma emaredweni, ufuna ukulalelwa, yini oyisebenzisako, uyikhansela nje waseyokhethweni ilungile. Thola umhungulo, thola into ethi igomokonqo, isithwebulo, ikhubalo likaTikoloshe, umemeze obovu, impindamshaye, iqanda lentshe, umusu uthole indoda emfishane, ulimi lalo omkhovu, ukhakhayi lomkhovu, amafutha kaTikoloshe, imambe lohlaza, imambe emnyama, impithe. Then ke lento ke uzoyihlanganisa ke lento. Uzoyihlanganisa lento uma uyokhuluma nabantu yenza lento ishoyo. Kodwa uma ufuna lo muntu futhi ukuthi kwenzeke lento oyishoyo, mhlambe angene kwiquantum noma angangene kuya nokuthi wena imention into yakho ithini. Okay, senzeke lo muthi uyawugaya ube yimpuphu, ufake emlomeni, uzobe usufonela isitha sakho ngo private number, uyothi engakaphenduli ifoni ukhulume ushashwathe o ezo sonteka ulimi ashawe ekhanda. Uma uzokhuluma nabantu idla lo muthi noshaphisi, bonke abantu abafuna ukukuphikisa emhlanganweni ulimi luba nindikindiki angakwazi ukukhuluma. Ilento ke kuthiwa pho benithuleleni ngoba benimuzwa ukuthi uthini. Ngiyanipha le mithi nizoyidlala le video niloku niyilalela ke. Then sekuzokunika ke umuthi okugeza nje. Uma ufuna ukuthi ugezeke nje uthandeke kubantu, ugezeke nje uthandeke esobuza ukuthi inkosazana. Yenza njena ke thatha umkhalelwa, umuthi ekuthiwa umkhalelwa, umamponjane noma umampunzana, kuyadependa ukuthi unobiza kanjani. Uthole izaza, uthole umhlwazi omhlophe. Umhlwazi omhlophe very important. Uyayigaya le mithi lena, gale mithi ibe impuphu kahle. Uma usungitholela uyothenga nje amafutha enkosazane, uma usuyiconisela nje kancane kulento lena, uma usuqedile ufaka imali emhlophe emanzini, thereafter uma usuyageza ngale nduku. Mase uyageza ngale nduku. Lana usuke nje ufuna ukuthi kuvuleke into zakho uma ukuthi zivalekile. This is Baba Udokotela. Benginipha nje imithi yesintu ukuthi nani ngene ihlanganisele nenyanga lezi eziye zilandela Baba Udokotela azithathe lonto zohlanganise zibone ukuthi abantu zibasiza kanjani. Asibuyele nike. Ake singene lana ke. Ngifuna sikhulume ngalomsebenzi lo. Yabona umsebenzi lo angisuse lokho sengiqedile ngakho. Lo msebenzi lo nabathi ingqayi akukho lutho laphakathi. Ngifuna ungithengele ingqayi engaka. Mase ungitholele iwhisky, uze newhisky, ingqayi uma ungayitholi zikhona leThekwini. Kodwa into engifuna ufike usuyiphethe, ngifuna uphethe iwhisky. Ingaze kube iwhisky ebizayo. Mase sikukhandela lo msebenzi ungilungisela u12,000 rand. Sikukhandele lo msebenzi sifaka amadoda la ekhaya ala ekhaya oma hamba buye uma usuyabatshela ukuthi ini oyifunayo emhlabeni ufuna imfuyo yakho yande ufuna abantu bande esontweni ufuna i-tech shop yakho igcwale yini othi uyayifuna lamadoda lawa oma hamba buye ephethe oma hamba buye ethwele ufuna ukuthi imoto erenke osebenza nazo zife kusebenze yakho kuphela utshela lamadoda I repeat utshela lamadoda ngicela siyilungise lento le umuntu othi babudokotela lamadoda angayilandeli mangibona igcwele endlini the answer is no uma ufuna ukudlala hamba odlala nabangani bakhe eminyango at my age I don't have time for you lana umuntu othi babudokotela kunento engiyizamayo ngidayisa ngeenkukhu and ziyafa izinkukhu babudokotela ngidayisa ngeembuzi ziyantshontshwa babudokotela ngenza ukuthi akwenze lento ngifuna ukukunika yona with a greater and understanding ukuthi angishongo ukuthe izovuka endlini sekugcwele imali ngoba unalamadoda lamadoda awakho ukuthi njoba udlala amabhano eladlala ku social media before liphahlazeke ababe sebebaningi abantu asebejoyine ngaphansi kwakho ilamadoda njoba une crash ngifuna ukuthi i-crash yakho igcwale njoba uprincipal ingane ufuna ngonyaka ozayo zigcwale esikoleni ezobhalisa ngoSeptember aqale zibe zibhalise ngane crash yakho ufuna ukuthi imbuzi zithengwe ukuze kumetyezwe kuthiwa kanti imbuzi usazidayisa nansi into ezokuyisebenza amadoda ke lawo amadoda ohlala ekhambeni amadoda ohlala ekhambeni engiyibulalayo kwena ile ukuthi uzofuna ukuthi ufice sekugcwele imali endlini yonke lokuyishanela uyibuthi babudokotela akayenzi ngani lonto asinike amadoda akhe nanti ukhamba hamba usebenze izandla ezibusisiwe izisebenzayo ngoba uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu phezulu kwakho ahura master uthi mina ngiyobusisa umsebenzi ezandla zakho this is babu Dr. Babisizwe Mojang mfana mhleja kahle uMzulu amancinisa ngisofuthi ngixolise ngithandani goodbye.